Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, we are going to talk about Copilot. I'm sure you've heard about it, it's Microsoft Copilot, technically more on GitHub. So before we get started here, I'm gonna talk about, or I'm gonna ask you kindly, each and one of you, that who hates coding? It's a pretty much like a terrifying, or it's pretty nerve-wracking, right? It's pretty anxiety-triggering workload. For example, this one right here, let me just minimize this one if I can. Afraid not. Anyway, I just want to show you this one. These are the sample of codes right here, right? Now, who here hates seeing this? Is it just me? Is it also you guys? Because I promise you that I hate code. It's not that I grow resentment about it. I just don't know how to do it, and it gives me anxiety whenever I pass by it. So, I have good news for you. All of the beginners out there, same as me, I'm introducing it to you, Copilot. Now, what is Copilot? Technically, it's just ChatGPT paired with coding. I know most of you guys have tried coding with ChatGPT. However, imagine Copilot being just a coding or a coder just for you. A Copilot just being a data analyst just for you guys. So that's you heard it right. The explanation is as it is. Copilot is just a friendly AI that helps correct your coding. Imagine Grammarly and coding put together. All of you know about Grammarly, right? Grammarly is this one. Let me just type in right here. It's a typing assistant. Whatever you type right here, it gives you grammatical corrections. It gives you grammatical suggestions. Much like in coding. As you can see here, for example, you're typing this code and I'm sorry, you encounter a problem and you don't see what. For example, I know for a fact that as simple as this parenthesis or what I call this close parenthesis, for example, you got it wrong, all of your code won't be run. That's where Copilot comes in. It can detect what's wrong with your code as easy as that and can help you ease your pain. Okay, so that's Copilot. Let's just talk about this more in my next videos, like um scan about more or dig deep about it more. However, that's just a preview of what a Copilot can do. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. Have a safe one, guys.